Yo guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, you're a new subscriber, thank you for watching. Pretty much this channel is pretty much racing, installing parts, hopefully later on traveling to events and all that. Right now we're in Carrizo. We just got out of work, so pretty much right now it's 6:13 in the morning and we're like 35 minutes away from home, just to go past Texas. So I've been driving for already 35 minutes. With that said, guys, I'm gonna sleep 3 hours and then we're gonna go to Reggie's house. We're gonna be installing a supercharger on the 10-speed. So stay tuned. Let's get this install going. Part 1. Let's get it, guys. Let's go. Yo, what is up? We made it to Reggie's a little bit late. It's 11:30. Slept like about 4 hours. My cousin came in from New Mexico, future graduate for Border Patrol. Oh, it's been a while since we hanged out together, so it's pretty dope moment. Reggie's already started the car like I had told y'all he was. Next to the bumper. I think he barely just put the intercooler. Is it an intercooler, right? In the intercooler, the radiator for the supercharger. His plan pretty much is to get everything done what's in the bottom and then drop the car, start on the top. But I'm gonna probably start on the top for him so he can finish faster. But this was the supercharger, guys. Yo, so pretty much we took off the intake, the cover for the intake. Reggie said now we have to drain the coolant, so we're gonna drain the coolant and then probably take the reservoir off, and then probably go take out the throttle body. Or now this can stay. Take out pretty much all the lines, then all the bolts for the intake manifold, and I think it should probably come back. What's next? So pretty much we took off the intake,
the lines for the coolant, the reservoir. Then we're gonna start taking off the mattress line, the throttle body, the coolant lines, all these.
Pretty much all the connections, all the connections. I think he said he needs to drill a hole on the timing cover. I don't know if there's this one on the top. Right here, this one. I don't know that one, but this one for a plate. He said.
Yeah, for a plate.
For a plate. So that's it. We're just gonna keep going. I don't think there's much. Well, yeah, but it looks like a lot, but it'll come off pretty easily, I hope. Yeah, guys, so we pretty much took off the line, the nitrous kit, the plate. Oh, there you go. The nitrous kit, the nitrous plate is off. I also ended up taking off from the nitrous kit some wires from here. But that's if you have a nitrous kit. Like if you don't have to worry about it. But now we're gonna take off what the line is. Let's take off the line, so let's get started with that. Yeah, guys, we took off the oil catch can too that goes here. We just took off the, I believe they're called vacuum lines. If we're wrong, correct us in the comments so we can also learn. With that said, we took off these. We're probably gonna take off this one. We're gonna start with the wiring. Well, no, I don't really think. Maybe the wiring from the injectors, because that's what's on the intake manifold. But we're making some good progress. And let's keep going step by step on installing the supercharger. Yo guys, for the lines, make sure you go to your auto parts store and get you, it's a kit they sell. It's right here. Look. For fuel lines, I believe for fuel lines, and I would say also for some AC lines as well. So this one pretty much it was right here. I'll put it a demonstration. This one goes, you pull it, it's gonna open up some locks it has inside. As you can see, it's gonna push them open and then you can just slide it out. So get you these as well. Make sure you don't lose them. And also make sure you have shop towels or rags or something, because it is going to leak fuel on this one and on this side as well. So with that said, we're taking off all the fuel lines. We're going to take off the injectors. And then I think, well, we'll go from there, guys. We're also learning. So y'all learning with us. So let's, hell yeah. So let's get it. Let's go. There you go. Yes, sir. So injectors are out, connectors are out. So make sure you take out your connectors. And now
I have to disconnect all these connectors in the back, and then pretty much take all these.
Pretty much. So what is this though? Well, we don't know what it is, but we're gonna take it off just to be safe. I think the connectors here, and then pretty much all the bolts around. And I believe that should be it to take off the intake manifold. So let's get to it.
There's only 6 bolts, right?
I think there's 6 bolts. 1, 2, 3. There's probably one in the back. There's always one in the back. I think there's 6. I'm not sure. 6 or 8. So let's get to it. How many were they? 6?
Yeah, I think there's 6.
I think there's 6 in total, guys. Oh yeah, there's just 6, guys. Let's try to scoot it out, and then we're gonna see if we need to take out those connectors in the back. I'm gonna get it from. I think something holding it in the back. Oh yo, you can't like do it sideways.
I have a thing for it.
So you can see. Can it? There you go. There you go. Oh shit, boy. So guys, I'm gonna show y'all pretty much. It was the thing that was holding us back were these little things. Those right there. And then it just had 2 connectors, right? Or 1? It was 2. Oh, it was 1
and 2 on the top.
And 2 on the top from the, I think it was this little thing right here. There were these. So that's already a intake manifold uninstalled on the 2021 5.0 Coyote. Make sure you clean the ports and make sure you put a rag in each one, just so nothing will fall in there if you're gonna leave it open for a while. I think, what's the next step, bro?
We have to do something here to put the sensors back and all that. Zip tie the wires.
So zip tie the wires, clean it up, and then we need to put the injectors on the supercharger, right?
Yeah.
So we put the injectors. What injectors did you go with?
1,000 cc's.
1,000 cc's. He will need a fuel pump, guys, to run E85. They're expensive, so I think he's gonna stay with 93, right?
Yeah, for a while. A little bit.
For a while. Well, we save up money. He saves up some money so he can do the whole fuel line, fuel pump. He already gonna have the injector, so hell yeah. Now let's clean up the wiring, make it look pretty. You know, pretty much put the injectors in the supercharger, and then I mean, I don't know from there. He's the one that pretty much knows more. That's seen more videos, right, on this. Yeah. He's seen more videos on the install, so I'm just here like that, like a helping hand. So let's go, yo guys. So that's a little bit of lube. Reggie advised on lubing the rings. He said to lube them because or else you can damage them. But damn, look at that. Sheesh. Hell yeah, that's one side, guys. Also from your stock intake, make sure you take off this sensor. Reggie said that I think they just put it just so it won't throw off a code, and they cover these ports. I'm not sure. I think he's the one that knows more because he's been seeing more videos about it. So with that said, we already took it off from here. It was right here. We're gonna take off these little 2 pipes and we should be good. He's gonna install the rest of the injectors, and I think we're gonna set the supercharger already. Stay tuned. Let's go. Yo guys, so what I did, I cleaned up that part in the back, put zip ties, cleaned this up. So pretty much, guys, you want to connect this sensor and these little things, just leave them open. Doesn't matter. That's how the other video did it. So it should be no problem. Everything's already tucked in really well. Supercharger's ready to go. Injectors are on there. Can y'all see them? They're on there already. I'm pretty sure we're gonna need to take them off. We were just trying to test fit them to begin with. So with that said, I think we're gonna put the supercharger.
Yep.
Yo, how do you feel, bro? How do you feel? Excited, dude. A supercharger, bro. Yo. All right, guys, let's put this supercharger. Let's go. Yo, that thing's heavy, bro. Yo, that looks crazy, dude. Damn. Let's get it. Yo, man. Yo. Supercharger's on. All the bolts are tightened. Fuel rods are tightened, connected, coils are connected. And now what he's gonna do is gonna focus on the pulleys, put in the plate, put in the belt on it. We also have to swap the spark plugs, bro, before you turn it on, right? Also, he needs to do the spark plug because I'm already gonna take off for work. It's already time to go to work, so I'm gonna leave him the GoPro. He's gonna be taking videos of it as he like does some work. Hopefully, he doesn't forget. So it should be good, guys. I'm already gonna take off to work, man. I wish I didn't have to work, but we all have to work. But it is what it is. Supercharger installed, and Reggie's gonna guide you through everything now. So I'll see y'all later. I'll probably come tomorrow, swing by to do some data logging. Hopefully the car is ready for the data log, which I probably will be. But you probably won't get nothing back until Monday, right? Yeah, probably from Lund. He'll probably get another tune from and Monday from Lund. So let me get a thumbnail. All right, guys. So I'll see you later. You'll be with Reggie now. Let's go later.